Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new Scout 177 Sport that we just received. This boat is available. It's heavily equipped, full black hull, Minn Kota Terrova trolling motor, bimini top, midnight edition package. So the powder coating is all done in black. Same for the speakers. We've got storage beneath the foredeck area here. Live well is beneath this console seat. Stainless grab rail that's powder coated. Rod holders on both sides. Battery charger right there. 2 more speakers on either side of the helm seat. Fender pros, rod holders, push-pull holders. Digital gauges from Yamaha, trim tabs, the LED indicators, remote for the power pole, 115 4-stroke from Yamaha. Got storage beneath the helm seat with a cooler, tackle storage, drop-in tubs on both sides. Also got the poling platform here. Swim ladder on the port side. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. This boat is located at MarineMax Charleston, 142 Sportsman Island Drive, just off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. Again, this is Carl Anderson. Thanks for watching.